lovely. You know how like on CSI they'll take a picture or something and they'll put like a pen next to it so you know the size of it?
Yeah.
I put it on one day and it was all screwed up, so I took it back off. It didn't line up right because these clips go on an angle like this. The molding goes on an angle with different pin that's on the other end. Huh.
Okay, give me a little background info on the vehicle.
It used to have more doors.
It used to belong to my friend's mother.